The 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar has many unique ways to amuse people with its developments and lavishness. Adidas, Al Rihla, an official football of the FIFA World Cup 2022, has connected ball technology that is used to navigate the ball on the field using a motion sensor inside the ball. This technology examines a fair play between two teams via VAR, Video Assistant Referee. Adidas, Al Rihla, and 80% of world's footballs are amazingly made in Sialkot, Pakistan. Have you ever thought about it? The FIFA World Cup 2022 will use approximately 3,000 footballs. The World Cup football is different from normal one as it is between 68 cm and 70 cm and weighs between 410 and 450 grams. Pakistani manufactured footballs have been used since 1982 in FIFA football events around the globe. They manufacture approx 40 million footballs every year, of which 97% are export-oriented. Sialkot is one of the prominent places for football manufacturing in Pakistan and consists of more than 1,000 factories. Yes, amazingly, about 60,000 people work there, which is 8% of total population of Sialkot. More than 80% of football produced in Sialkot is hand-stitched, which makes it more durable and provides better aerodynamic stability. Each football consists of 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons, which are joined by 690 stitches. There is a traditional way of making hand-stitched footballs, but mass production leads to machine-stitched and thermo-bounded method in the market. In the initial period, footballs were made of vulcanized rubber and pure leather, but now mainly synthetic leather is used as a material, which is made from cotton, polyester and polyurethane. The pricing of this football is varied by its method of manufacture. The thermo-bounded balls are not deflated or repaired, so it's too expensive to transport, whereas hand-stitched are also expensive but repairable, and machine-stitched are inexpensive due to mass production where quality may vary. In 1836, Charles Goodyear patented vulcanized rubber, and before this, balls were made of pig's bladder. A game called basketball was the only one that was played by football, but now evolution has made a big difference between them.